everyone, in this video I'm going to review the new bundle. B-1N Lancer. A modification of an B-1B bomber, created for naval use. It is equipped with upgraded radars, new engines, and additional hardpoints for having more armaments. In addition to all that, this version is also carrying missiles with nuclear warhead, which makes it capable of dealing substantial damage to any surface target. Its weapons include AGM-183A nuke, American long-range air-to-ground missile with nuclear warhead. It deals area damage and ignores heat decoys, but has a long fire preparation time. Mako X-8, American high-speed long-range air-to-ground missile. It has fast reload and target acquisition times, but deals moderate damage. GBU-39/BR, American laser-guided air-launched bomb. Has low glide speed and average durability, but can bypass heat decoys. GBU-38JDMB, an American bomb, based on the Mark 83. This version deals moderate damage, but has a fast target acquisition time.